SC400 running a 1UZ. Just put a Megasquirt in it. Running into some fueling issues. Running out of fuel at the top end, it seems. New fuel pump didn't help. Regulator is basically a new Denso, less than 6 months old or so. Fuel pressure looks good using a shitty little gauge. Have a pressure sensor coming, should be here next week. But yeah, hearing some weird noises from the fuel rail on the the right bank, I would call it, when the fuel pump's running. Just sounds crazy to me. Kick that pump on using the Megasquirt, and man, it's super loud over here. From what sounds like the return line. It sounds like there's air in it or something, really, to me. It's crazy. But, on this side where the regulator is, you can't really feel it. But, man, on this back side here, if you touch that return line, it feels a lot of vibrations in there. It's crazy. But, yeah, it's a little bit weird. I'm ready to start tearing shit apart just to find out what it is, but I thought I might post a video to see if anyone else knows what the hell is going on here. But yeah, just running out of fuel at the top end. Kind of sucks because this thing's running really good until then. Alright, so yeah, if anyone has any ideas or whatever, just let me know.